how to save your jobs inside of Indeed. Let's say you've come across a job that you really like, that fits your description, and that you're trying to apply to. So whenever you search up any keyword or any job title, you're going to see all of these jobs that you can apply to. Right besides the apply now button, you'll have this icon, which is the save option. You can just click on this option right here, and this job will be moved to the save section, which you can later view. So you can repeat this process for any job that you're trying to save. You can just click on this button or this icon, and every job that you click will be moved to the save section. To view all of these jobs that are saved, you can click on this icon on the top, which is the My Job section, and it is going to show you all of the jobs that you just saved. If you want, you can also remove them later on. So that was a quick tutorial on the way that you save jobs in Indeed. If this guide video was helpful to you, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.